I think we should keep it.
Mm-hmm.
You want to talk to YouTube?
No, I'm fine.
Okay, I'll talk to him then. Whoa,
Okay.
and that guy runs us over. What's up, YouTube? Zanrith and Miss Heather here. Riding around Buffalo, testing out the new Two Brothers Black Series exhaust we threw on the 300. And I like it. You like it?
Yes, I do.
Okay, there we go. See? 2 thumbs up from us. Well, 4 technically, if you want to count how many thumbs I have. And I think we'll keep it. Seems a bit louder. It's nice and deep. I like that. It doesn't sound as much like a lawnmower as it did before. But it definitely sounds like a bigger bike now. So I've got some highway video I'll throw in probably right about now. I like it.
Me too.
It's not terribly like it sounds louder when you're off it, but
It
when
sounds like that car.
yeah. Yep. So I'm gonna do the circle through downtown, I think, and then we're gonna try not to talk too much so that I can just let it let the camera listen to it.
Mm-hmm.
Dog. Yep, it's on that lady's lap. That's illegal. And then when I'm done, we're gonna kind of come up like Elmwood, I think, or because I don't want to go up Delaware. And I'll do some talking, and then we'll be done. That guy's on his phone. The guy just made the U-turn.
I like that red and white striped Dodge truck right there.
Yeah.
Stupid Ricky!
little farty. And then there's some of this video of us riding around doing about 30. And, I mean, it's not unbearable. I can hear Heather pretty well through the headset. You can hear me well, right?
Right.
Right. Yeah, so I like it. Courtney's bike there has the Yoshi on it. This has the Two Brothers. They sound very similar. I don't think there's too much of a difference now that we put the silencer back in Courtney's. But we'll see. We'll get them both together this summer and we'll have a sound off. How's that?
Sounds good.
Sounds good. See? We all like it. And it's not doing that crack or anything in the helmet either, which is nice in the headset like we were having problems with Courtney's. Yep, red Jeeps. Heather has a knack for finding all the red Jeeps out here, so. And 90% of the punch bugs. Fucking up.
I think he's stuck.
I think he's trying to find a place to park. Fart, fart. Oh, yeah.
Oh, look, we're stopped on Summer Street.
What, you always stopped at Summer Street?
Oh, I wish it was summer.
Oh, you wish it was summer. Oh, that makes sense. It's not a crosswalk. And that was an illegal U-turn. God. We're never going to get away from it, are we?
Nope.
Ugh, okay. Trying to do a nice video here. Just listening to the exhaust, riding around. We got to find these people. Everybody's looking at us like, what the hell are they doing? It's too cold out to be riding.
Not really. Just my hand.
Yeah.
Gauntlet gloves, definitely an expensive thing.
Yeah, well, the gauntlet gloves are more for racing. You'd have to get, like, the insulated ones, too.
Don't they have gauntlet insulated ones?
Oh, probably. We'll look next time we're up there and we'll ask. How's that?
We got our book, too.
Oh, yeah, we got our book. Got our catalog. Alright, YouTube. Well, I think this is enough roll of listening to this nice exhaust.
Stupid.
Not even supposed to park there.
A third one.